Yo, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is a brand new video today to show you an NBA 2K26 VC glitch. This is going to get you 450,000 VC for free in 2K26, and this uses a working glitched locker code after patch. So this is working right now, guys. Everyone can do this. And as you can see, 450,000 VC costs around $100 US, guys. So this is going to save you a bunch of money. So let's get into the video. Actually, before we do that, make sure you drop a like on this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Many more VC glitch update tutorials coming soon. So let's show you guys how to get to your 450,000 VC for free. What you're going to want to do is just use a mobile phone. You probably play 2K26 on console or PC, but use your mobile to get the code and then enter it on whatever platform you play on. So you've got to head on over to this website, www.coldcoupons.com. So it's easy to type, guys. Cold coupons, and it's going to bring you to this game code website. I've used these for previous years. As you can see, they have a 2K26 page, 2K25 page. They do have a 2K26 page, but you're going to want to search for it using the search bar at the top of the screen. And in there, I'm just going to type in NBA 2K26, and this is the codes page here, guys. Like I said, these are locker codes that you can redeem in your game, no matter which console or platform you play on. So you need to scroll down and look for this code here. This is the 450,000 VC code. Now, the reason I call this a VC glitch is because this is not supposed to give you this much VC. Locker codes usually give you very little, and this one actually gives you a 450,000 VC pack. So what you're going to want to do is unlock your 2K26 locker code. And that's obviously because these are limited codes, guys. And believe it or not, people actually create robots to steal all of the VC codes. So to get yours, you've got to click on the blue button that says get full code. And you need to follow the instructions on this page. These basically sponsor cold coupons. So that's how they can give us these codes for free. But you do need to complete 2 of the tasks below and make sure you do follow the instructions below each one. Now, most of these are applications, so like mobile apps. As an example, guys, you just follow the instructions. So this one says download this game and complete level 13. So you'd basically grab it from the App Store or the Google Play Store and just complete the level it asked for. You may see other things as well, such as surveys and just starting free trials, and they're all completely free. It will take about 5 minutes, but once you do that, I'm going to skip forward. Your 2K26 free VC locker code will be unlocked. So you can literally grab it from the box and redeem it in the VC redeem page in the game. Yeah, that's going to supply you with your 450,000 VC. So that is it, guys. That is the easiest and fastest 2K26 VC glitch using a locker code. Make sure you like and subscribe. Head on over to Cold Coupons, and I'll see you in the next one.